What it is, what it ain't, everybody's Real Cloudy Fishing, what these other YouTubers wishing, man. I got my boy Kountry K and Junebug Fishing, man. It's been a minute, you feel me? We about to see what this water talking about. Got the GoPro, feel me? Popping out with something new. 3rd generation, but you know what I mean? It ain't where you start, it's where you finish. So we about to have some high quality content for you and your mama. Let's get right.
What time it is? It's 6 in the morning on the way to the lake. Spinning the casting rod. What I'ma choose today? Real Cloudy Fishing, where these other YouTubers wishing. They had the sauce I can teach you. Sit down and listen.
Oh, I got a, dang, I didn't even tell them what I had on. I got a green pumpkin. No, watermelon red flake. No, actually, yeah, green pumpkin. Texas rig. I got the little bullet sinker on it. I think I got a 3/8 ounce on it. I'm just letting that shit scrape the bottom. Scrub the ground. What the fuck? What the? Check him out. What the fuck is, man? Somebody bird nest. I done relocated a bird house. Over with. One of them days, huh? Okay. Now we done got the BS out the way. Now we finna get right.
I might gotta get a slow falling bait.
Boy, if you catch something with a wacky rig, bro, I'm gonna be pissed. Cause I just took the wacky rig off. Go ahead, get that money. Catch something, I'm gonna know something, bro. I'm gonna be hot. Somebody gonna die. Go ahead and sweet chin music if you in the water. Well, y'all don't know y'all can see it, but boy, Kountry K down there spanking it. What you got, 2 on the board? Shit, I'm about to go hate on him real quick. Try to pitch with the left hand. Golly, that was hard to watch. Oh, got him. There we go. Jig, bass hate jigs, you know what they say, man. About time, boy. Located him. Now we gonna see. Boy, he's a feisty mug, boy. Feisty chap. Yes, sir. We're finally on the board. Man, he's a feisty sucker, boy. I can't even lie to you. Let's go ahead and get him back to the water, man. Praise Allah, man. Such a beautiful creature, bro. Make sure we're gonna have catch and release. Make sure he good, man. Make sure he go back to his family. Make sure he go back to his wife and kids. You did. Yeah, man. My boy caught one off camera. He got 2 of them things. Kountry K got 1. No, Kountry K got 2. I got 1 of them. You got 3? He got 3? Hey, man. Go ahead and walk down there then and see what he doing, man. Yeah, man. Like he munched that, boy. Good hook said, ooh, on the bottom lid. Yes, sir, man. Feel good. About time we started making some noise, boy. Man, 1 rod, 1 reel. No kids. Yes, sir, man. He ain't too bad, man. Well, don't go in there right after him. Where your bowl? Ooh, you nervous. Easy way to rig a Texas rig, man. Get your stick back and get your hook, brody. Feel me? We're gonna make it do what it do. Feel me? I like to go in at it at an angle. You dig me? I try to go a little deeper. Pause. Ooh, that was wicked. Feel me? Hook it. Hey! Feel me? Go ahead and I like to cover up the eyelet and the knot. Feel me? You dig what I'm saying? Keep your eyes peeled, man. Check me out. Then I line it up with the line. Then we don't got to. Something jumping now. Something jumping over there, boy. Y'all better stop playing with me while I'm over here trying to show my people how to rig a Texas rig. But you feel me? We're gonna go ahead and stick them through the belly. And this is called hooking it weedless. What I do is, feel me? Bury that hook inside the body. Man, it's so easy. A real cloudy can do it. You feel me? Yes, sir. Now let's catch some fish with the secret weapon, the sweet tater pie from KVD or Strike King. Yeah, feel me? Let's get it. Let's go. Probably have to go out a little further. Oh yeah. About time. Hey, you said something about log, and I pulled out the jigging too. He ain't a golly whopper. Let me get them pliers. I thought I got it out. Hey man, I'll work with it. I'll work with it. A bite is a bite. Bro, that was like the second pitch in here. Let me find out. I'm surprised. Now Jiggington.
What time it is? It's 6 in the morning on the way to the lake. Spinning a casting rod, what I'ma choose today. ReelCloudyFishing, where these other YouTubers wishing. They had the sauce I can teach you, sit down and listen.